Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're making a video on what's the fastest way to earn money in NFS Payback. Now I know Heat has also come out, so it's kind of late for this video, but let's just pretend like Heat didn't come out. It's not like I don't have Heat. I do have Heat, cause oh my god, I can't see. I have Heat, but I don't know what's the fastest way to earn money in there. So we're just gonna show you the fastest way to earn money in here. So first of all, you wanna go to right here. It's about like smack that center of the map. And no, well, just like remember, if you know where's the off-road dealership. Oh my god, why can't I? Yeah, there you go. You know where it is. So you know where's the off-road dealership. You know where's the race that you need to go to. I don't know, because like if you're on PS4, this might have a different name, because I played the same game on my cousin's PS4 and it had a different name, but it's all the same. But like you might get money for the race if you're on something else, but then the prices of the cars will be lower as well. I don't know why that happens, but it happens on a PS4, or I don't know, I don't really know about Xbox, or even if the Xbox has this game. So yeah, so I'm on PC, so you just want to go right here. So you can fast travel to that to the dealership, or you can just fast travel to this gas station, which is what I'm gonna do. So usually you want a fast car for this race, because if you're gonna use a slow car, then it won't be good. It won't be as valuable if you're gonna use a slow car. So you just want to come up to this race. Now let's just start this race. I mean, I have a 26, it's maxed out. You don't want to accept this bet, because the race, if you're like at least driving well, then the race is gonna be less than 1 minute 20 seconds. You're probably gonna finish it in like what, 1 minute 10 seconds if you can do well. But sometimes using the fast, because this 26 of mine is my fastest car. As you can see me, watch me do the race. It is my fastest car, but you don't want to always use your fastest car, because then you tend to make a few crashes, and usually handling is low on the 26, so it's really hard to control. You see, I'm pretty good at driving in this game, but I wouldn't say the best driver. I'd say I'm decent, like not the worst, not the best. So I don't have practice in playing this game, so if I play a bit bad, please forgive me. I barely have any practice. Yeah, you see, I just crashed. That's what I mean with the it doesn't want to turn hard, so it's not like the best car. Like you can win with it, but I don't recommend using it. Plus, it's basically like made for drag races. Well, no, it's not meant for drag races, but it's meant for straightaways where you can like reach 300. Well, yeah, if I like somehow do really well with this car, yes, you can get really well with this car and everything, but it's just not as easy. So I bet my end time's probably gonna be like what, 1 minute 12 seconds, because I've done this race a lot. Oh no, I should pay more attention on the road. Oh, yeah, okay, look. So it's 1 minute 17 seconds, and within 1 minute 17 seconds, I 7K. Why did I skip that? I should have shown it to you. Okay, just pretend like I earned 7K. Now, usually my car is maxed out, so you don't want to really get these upgrades, so you can sell it and you get another 10K. So it's like 17K per minute. And if you get really well at the race, it can get even less. So it's about per minute. It's like 1 minute, somewhere around 1 minute 10 seconds to 1 minute 20 seconds. I feel like that's pretty good, 17K. Now remember, I'm not using any glitches. So if you're gonna use any other glitches, it's gonna be faster, much faster actually. So you see, last time when I did with the commercial, it was 1 minute 17 seconds. So I'm just gonna try it with my P1, McLaren P1. This is also maxed out. Let's just select that car and let's go ahead. Again, don't accept this, because remember last time my race took 1 minute 17 seconds, but this race is 1 minute 20 seconds. Or they're at least telling me to do that. Well, we can't do that, because this race was actually meant for slower cars with like around level 150, or I don't know what level it was meant for, but it was meant for lower level. That's all. Oh my god. Okay, that was a bad start. Don't start off how I started this race. I mean, last race had a decent start. I'm probably gonna Yeah, I just messed up the example that I was trying to create. Why doesn't my car want to turn? Okay, so you might say this car is slower, but yes, I agree with you. A P1 is slower. I feel like somebody messed my sensitivities or my set. I want to turn, so I think something happened. But you see, I'm not gonna crash as much, and it's pretty fast as well. See, over here I'm not exiting, well, not yet at least. I will exit. So you see, I memorized this track because I probably done this race over 100 times. Yeah, I played this game a lot. I grind a lot. This is my 5th save game. This is my 5th time finishing this game. So see, I exited that part at like 1 minute. So whereas the last, well, depending on where you exit, that turning bits, that's how you know how much time you're getting. And look, I got 1 minute 16 seconds. I could improve on this. I had a better start. You see, using the fastest car is always the best. And you see, I also got 7K again. So this is the fastest way to earn money, and this is the fastest race. So this race gives you a lot of money. That's all I want to tell you. And this car is like ultra maxed out. Like, I was really lucky and have 2 bonuses, and they're pretty good bonuses. So yeah, it's like okayish, but it could be better, I guess. So I'm just gonna sell that again, and see, that's coming in 11K because this part is valued more. Cause look at it, it has 2 perks on it. That's a lot of value. So we're just gonna sell that, and boom, I just made a lot of money. You see, I am now at 375K. 375K actually. So I hope you guys liked that video. Thanks for watching. That's the fastest way to earn money. So leave a like if you like the video. Leave a dislike if you don't like it. I mean, I don't really care. It's your choice much. So subscribe if you want to, if you want more daily videos. And yeah, leave a comment on what you want my next video to be, because till now I've done 3 types of videos. My first 2 ones were like a review of stuff. Forget about my first one because that was a terrible video, but my second one, it was a decent video. So do you want a review? Do you want another gaming video like this one, or do you want what did I do yesterday? Yesterday I made a teardown video, or if you want a teardown video like yesterday. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment on what you want my next video to be, and bye. How do I stop this recording?